All right, Jack Brooks, you know what time it is. You might be asking what I'm doing. It's tradition around here to put a little bit of extra last dab on the last wing. We've got a carrot here. You do it yourself. Do you actually want to do it?
I'm worried it's going to come out too quick.
Yeah, that's what they all... No, stop!
It's going to ruin my coffee.
Yeah, it is. 3, 2, 1. There's no escape.
It is tasty the first like bit and then just fucking builds. How do they make it so hot yet still like tasty? It's just slowly spreading around my whole mouth.
That's right, I jumped aboard the hype train on Monday. You might want to go see that video. We've been courageous through these last 6 hours. We have... bro, last dab your wing. As they go into the final round, it started already.
Oh boy.
There we go. 3, 2, 1, sink it. All the
whole thing. There we go.
Me and my mate spent a overnight, we spent, bloody eating hot wings, as you would. Hot nuggets, as we watched the KSI and Logan fight. You can go see that video somewhere on the tags on the page. A little bit of a fun thing now for people that are in Adelaide on Friday night, 31st of August. Your boy, Cammy Boy, is hosting a bit of a meet-up party burrito thing for Burp. Very, very passionate about my burritos. Very, very passionate about Burp. Unfortunately, they're closing down. I can't not celebrate what an amazing company that has been and how many times they've saved me on a night out. So I've got to give them a Buy Burp party. I've called it Boys, Babe, Burritos, Beers by Burp. So if you'd like to come hang out, if you live in Adelaide, 6:30 p.m. at Burp on Hindley Street on the 31st of August. Would love to bloody see you there. Would love to finally shake hands with a few of you. I'm very energetic right now. So let's just go on an adventure. So we're at Yankalilla, climbing a mountain, surrounded by Lockie Jack and Nico Bellotti.
It's a Nico Bellotti!
It's a Nico Bellotti! Nico Labotti. Nico Lobotomy. What are your thoughts, Nick? Thanks.
I don't know.
There's the scene. Cool.
Now they're like...
Big fella just getting the shot here. So many photographers. Slow little time. Oh, it's nice to finally get outside. It's been a minute. Jesus Christ, you've heard this before, but I am so unfit today at all times. But we're here on top, feeling good. Also, how good was this birthday present that Jack got me? It's all windy, but my hat is safe, boys!
Locked and loaded.
Thank you.
Just because of the silence, I was like, I've real f***ing dogged him.
We drove for an hour, only to be rained out completely. The rains are definitely here. Who was the one who sung out "The Rains Are Here"? Was it Jan?
The McCain ad.
Wasn't it Marge?
Oi, Marge!
Oh, it was explained to Marge, but Marge was the one in the product placement of the ad.
I've got no idea what you're on about.
Marge! The rains are here!
Marge, the rains are here.
You know what I'm talking about? Jack, I just want to say I'm really enjoying this hat clip. I think it sets my outfit on fire. Yeah, thanks, bro.
I want to go as David Dobrik for Halloween, but no one will know who it is.
I'll go as Liza for you.
Around like this the whole time.
Yeah, and like just a black cap, black shirt.
And just like that, it's dark. I'm still wearing shorts, and I'm an idiot. I don't know why I'm looking at the light, not the lens. Thanks. It's because I don't f***ing have any hands.
Yeah.
Thanks for the ass push.
Oh,
You alright?
yeah.
Well done, bro.
I'm no Nico Bellotti. It's really bad, like shadow from the mic.
Yeah.
Looks real shit.
Does it just look like a big penis? Just make as many noises as you can in 1 second.
Hello, sorry, I'm Australian. Good day, mate.
That's all I needed, thank you.
Okay, perfect. I love that. That's my favorite content of all.
Sweet.